Ever wonder if your tires are properly inflated? You're not alone. Driving with the wrong tire pressure can be dangerous, but the good news? It's super easy to check it yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through how to check your tire pressure step by step with zero experience needed. So let's dive in and get started. Step 1. Find the recommended pressure. First things first, every car has a specific tire pressure recommendation. It is essential to know that every vehicle has a specific tire pressure recommendation tailored to its design and performance. You'll find this info on a sticker, usually inside the driver's side door or in your owner's manual. It will say something like 32 PSI or 35 PSI. PSI stands for pounds per square inch, which measures the pressure inside your tire. It is crucial to ensure that you are referencing the recommended pressure for your specific tire size, rather than the maximum pressure indicated on the tire itself. The number displayed on the tire represents the upper limit of pressure, not the target you should aim for. Step 2. Get a tire pressure gauge. Next up, you'll want to grab a tire pressure gauge. You can find a basic one for just a few bucks, or if you prefer more precision, consider going digital. While many gas stations offer built-in gauges on their air pumps, having your own handy is incredibly convenient. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in keeping your tires in top shape. Now, let's get to it. Start by removing the valve cap from your tire. It's that little black cap on the valve stem. Firmly press your gauge onto the stem. You might hear a slight hissing sound as air escapes, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Just hold it steady until you see the reading pop up. Easy peasy. Step 3. Interpret the reading. Take a look at the number on your gauge. Is it below the recommended PSI? If it is, your tire is in need of some air. On the other hand, if the reading is higher than recommended, you might want to release a bit of air. For the most accurate results, it's best to check your tires when they're cold, ideally before you hit the road for the first time that day. Step 4. Add or release air. If you find that your tire pressure is low, it's time to add some air. You can use a tire inflator at a gas station or invest in a portable one that plugs into your car's power outlet. When inflating, remember to do it in short bursts and keep an eye on your gauge to avoid overinflation. If you need to let out some air, simply press down gently on the valve stem with the tip of your gauge or a small tool until the pressure drops to the recommended level. Once you've hit the right PSI, just pop the valve cap back on and you're all set. That's it. Checking and maintaining the correct tire pressure is crucial for optimal vehicle performance and safety. Underinflated tires can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased wear, while overinflated tires may result in a harsher ride and reduced traction. Regularly checking your tire pressure, at least once per month, not only extends the life of your tires, but also enhances your overall driving experience. Remember to consult your vehicle's manual for the manufacturer's recommended pressure levels and make it a habit to inspect your tires regularly, especially before long trips. If this helped boost your car confidence, give this video a like and subscribe to HerAutoIQ for more simple car tips made just for you.